Some weeks don't ask you to grow, they ask you to survive. And I think this week was one of those weeks for me. And his name is Sabu, and he's cute.
मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर पाऊँगी इस हफ्ते या मैं अपलोड कर पाऊँगी, बट फिर आया फिर से. I started writing these lines in the middle of one of my hardest week I had till now in 2 years of my college. And it's not my own line. I saw it on Instagram. And मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये लाइन पूरा थीम बन जाएगा मेरे लाइक जो हफ्ता मैं बिता के आई हूँ. ठीक है, यू नो द लाइन सेज, ऑब्वियसली मुझे याद नहीं है. Says, a warrior isn't one who never falls, but one who never stays down. ठीक है, और ये मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि यार बहुत ज़्यादा काम था हम लोगों को लैब्स में और दिमाग एकदम ख़राब कर दिया था चारों तरफ से. मतलब एक होता है ना, एक तरफ से प्रॉब्लम है, बट इस हफ्ते तो जैसे लग रहा था कि चारों तरफ से प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. और ये सिर्फ मेरे अकेले की स्टोरी नहीं है. जितना मैं परेशान थी उतना मेरे बैचमेट्स भी थे. इवन टू द पीपल जिनसे मेरी बात नहीं होती या मेरी नहीं बनती है उनसे, भाई वो भी परेशानी हो गए होंगे. जिस टाइप का काम था इस हफ्ते, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं मैंने कितने लोगों से रूडली बात की होगी, कितना क्या जो भी. पर भाई देखो, सबके साथ होता है, ठीक है. और अगर आप गुस्सा हैं मुझसे तो ठीक है भाई, आपके पास रीज़न होगा. मेरे पास आना मन, दिमाग वैसे ही ख़राब है.
This week honestly felt endless. Every day started with another practical, another procedure, and another thing that needed to be finished. In Prosto, we were working on flasking and then curing and trying to finish our work before the material ran out. And sometimes it did. There were days when no matter how much effort you put in, you simply couldn't continue. Not because you weren't trying, but because there just wasn't enough material left.
I almost cried every day like of this week, and not because मुझे सिंपैथी चाहिए थी किसी से, या फिर मैं ऐसा सोच रही थी कि यार तो बहुत टफ हो गया कॉलेज में और आगे प्री क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स में क्या होगा, बट बिकॉज यू नो समटाइम्स यू केयर सो मच ऑफ डूइंग वेल दैट एवरी सेटबैक इट फील्स वेरी पर्सनल. मतलब मुझे तो हर चीज़ ऐसे लग रहा था कि भाई मेरे लिए मुझे ही टारगेट किया जा रहा है ताकि मेरा काम ना हो. मैं तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे ले रही थी बिल्कुल एकदम.
I came back to my room exhausted. Mentally, physically, emotionally, I had cuts on my hands. My body was tired, and honestly, I kept asking myself, can I do this really? Then I realized something. Maybe not every week is supposed to be productive. Maybe some weeks are simply about surviving, about getting through one day at a time, about showing up even when you don't feel your best.
And the whole week I have spent thinking that, you know, I needed to catch up, to do more, to do better, and to stop feeling overwhelmed. But I think what I really needed was permission to start over. And not because this week didn't matter. It taught me patience, it taught me resilience, and it taught me that some things are simply out of my control. मैं चाहे कितना भी कोशिश कर लूँ to put ends meet, to get done my work, बट कभी कभी होता है यार, जैसा सोचो कि हाँ इस दिन तक यू गिव योर सेल्फ अ डेडलाइन कि हाँ इस टाइम तक काम हो जाना चाहिए, डिले हो जाता है. एंड दैट्स वेयर द मेन वर्क कम्स कि भाई तुम्हें now you have to do the work without taking any pressure. But
This week felt like one setback after another. Some days my work wasn't ready, some days I had to start over, some days I wondered if I'd ever finish. And then, after all that, I finally got the sign. It's funny that signature probably took less than 10 seconds, but it represented hours of trying, starting over, making mistakes, feeling frustrated, wanting to give up, and coming back the next day anyway. I think that's what we forget sometimes. We celebrate the approval, but we rarely talk about everything that happened before it. Maybe starting over isn't glamorous. Maybe no one claps when you decide to try again. But every achievement I've ever been proud of started with choosing to come back after a difficult day.
trying to survive in are bad days and then hell of a week, which I had. And I think I'm learning to survive both. So I guess I'm leaving this week here, not forgetting it, not pretending कि भाई ऐसा तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं था. But I just do not allow myself to carry the weight in the next week. Tomorrow I start over with a more peaceful mind, I guess. Maybe I'll get some more time to study. So in a while, a bad week doesn't mean you're failing. A setback doesn't erase your progress. Sometimes surviving is enough. And whenever you're ready, you can begin again. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me. And अगर आप constantly मेरी हर वीडियो देखते हो, then thank you so much. And it really means a lot to me कि भाई आप टाइम निकाल के देख रहे हो वीडियोस. And let me know अगर कुछ मैं सही कर सकती हूँ, because right now I'm on to कि भाई मुझे नया माइक मैं खरीद लूँ, ठीक है, बट मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. जब थोड़ा सा फ्लो बन जाएगा तब, या मे बी लेट्स सी कि कब मुझे सबसे बढ़िया लगता है. या सो आई एम जस्ट रियली ट्राइंग टू डॉक्यूमेंट दिस जर्नी, द गुड डेज, द हार्ड डेज, द बैड डेज, द वेरी गुड डेज. And if you are going through a difficult week too, please show yourself the same grace you're willing to show everyone else. Please treat yourself nicely, and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.